Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to control audience on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. TikTok as the advertising platform of the popular short form video social network has become a critical research for ranking, looking to reach highly engaged and diverse audience with millions of active users worldwide. What if you want to control your audience on your TikTok profile? It's so simple. In this video, we'll show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can just tap on your profile. You can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on settings and privacy. You can scroll down. On content and display section, there is an option audience control. You can just tap on that. Here, you can control to limit your profile, future videos, and live videos to those age 18 and older. You won't be able to change this individual content. Now you can just click on here. Now you have limit your profile on TikTok. So simple, right? So that is how to control audience on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.